Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the difference between a real estate agent and a insurance agent. I'm going to go over 4 main categories in this video, and those categories are education, commission, renewals, and chargebacks. I feel like a lot of people miss that part when they compare real estate and insurance agent. They kind of leave out the chargeback situation. I'm going to discuss all of those. Make sure you watch this video towards the end because I'm going to give a major tip if you decide to go to the real estate route. And I'm also going to give a major tip if you decide to go to the insurance agent route. So if you want to know, keep watching this video. First, let's go over the first category, which is education. What are the requirements to become a real estate agent versus an insurance agent? Both require for you to enroll in a pre-licensing course for your state, and then you have to take an exam for your state. Once you pass that exam, then you could become licensed. Both, you do have to go under background checks, fingerprints, and follow all of the requirements for your particular state. With an insurance agent, you could pass the life and health course under 4 weeks. With the real estate, it would take you a little longer, but of course it would be worth it if that's the route that you want to take. It doesn't matter which route when it comes to education, which one is easier. It's really about what do you want to do with your career path. So I wouldn't make a decision based on the education portion alone. If you feel like you want to become a real estate agent, then go ahead and take the necessary steps to do so. But in my opinion, the life insurance agent course is a lot easier than getting your real estate license. All right, so now let's talk about commissions. So what is commissions? Commission is how real estate agents and life and or health insurance agents get paid. We get paid based off of commission. Let's go over the commission structure for a real estate agent. So when a real estate agent sells a home, they get paid commission based on the price of the home. The commission may be between 2 to 3%, and they have to share the commission with a broker as well. So whatever their commission split between themselves and the broker, then that is their commission. You sell a home, you make a commission, payday. All right, now let's talk about the insurance agent. With an insurance agent, you can sell multiple different products. You can sell life insurance, you can sell health insurance, you can sell Medicare plans, you can sell Obamacare plans. The list goes on and on, such as mortgage protection. Yeah, insurance agent can sell multiple products. Now, if you are an insurance agent, there's 2 routes that you can go. You can be captive and work for an insurance company, or you can be independent. When you're independent, you're on a commission structure as well. So when you sell a policy, then you get paid commission. It depends on the agreement between you and the FMO. What is your commission split? Let's just say your commission split with an FMO is at 100% commission. So you write a life insurance policy. Say that policy is $100 per month. That is $1,200 per year. Depending on your contract, you're going to be advanced 75% for the first 9 months of that monthly premium. Let's just call it 75% of, I don't know, $1,200. Let's just call that $750. I'm not sure if my math is on point, but let's just say for that policy, your commission for that 75% of the first 9 months of that premium, say let's call it $700, okay? So you're going to get a check for $700. Now, when that person continue to pay their policy month 10, 11, and 12, you get the remaining of that monthly premium, and that's it. Sometimes, depending on your contract, you may get small little renewals, and we're going to talk about renewals next. That's the difference between a real estate agent, you sell a home, payday, With an insurance agent, you sell a policy, payday. If you don't sell, if you're independent as an insurance agent, you don't make any money. Same thing with a real estate agent. If you don't sell, you don't make any money. Now with the insurance side, you can be captive and work for a company. That way you're getting paid on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, but you are losing that commission. All right, so we talked about education, we talked about commissions. Now we're going to talk about renewal income, my favorite part. And this is why I sell Medicare, life insurance and health insurance. I do it for the renewals. Okay, let's talk about the renewals. So with a real estate agent, when you sell a home, that is it. You sold a home, payday. Now with a real estate agent, there are no renewals. You sold a house, now it's time for you to sell another house, so that way you continue to get paid. With an insurance agent, we have renewals. Okay, so what are renewals? So when someone renews their policy, you get a small commission every single month. Now, as long as that person is alive and they still have that same policy, you get renewals every single month. With life insurance, it depends on your contract, but you can get a very small renewal every single month with a life insurance policy. Let's talk about Medicare agents really quick because this is my favorite subject. Now with Medicare agents, we get small renewals when our clients renew their policy. If they stay on the policy and they stay on the books with us, we continue to be their agent, then we get a small renewal every single month. In 2022, that monthly renewal is $23.91. Let's do a little bit of math. So if you are a Medicare agent and you have 350 clients that you service every single month, that renewal check is over $8,000. That is six-figure income only on your renewal. So like I said, with a real estate agent, there are no renewals. But when it comes to insurance, there are renewals every single month. And it doesn't stop with just Medicare agents, okay? So like I said, life insurance agents get small renewals as well. Property and casualty agents get renewals as well. So insurance is all about the renewals. A lot of people don't talk about it, but the power of renewals is really real. You can do a lot of things with waking up every month knowing that you're going to get paid $8,000, $10,000, whatever the case may be, every single month for something that you did years ago. That, my dear, is powerful. All right, guys, now we have to talk about the bad, the ugly, this nasty word, and it's called chargebacks. What are chargebacks? So if you sell someone a policy and they don't pay their premiums, then the insurance company would ask you to pay that back. So say you're a life insurance agent and you just wrote a policy and you got paid $1,000 a few days later, and your client never paid the first premium, the second premium, the third premium. They didn't pay their premium. So you have to pay that $1,000 right back. That's a chargeback. When you're a real estate agent, there are no chargebacks. If I sell you a home and you decide you don't like your home and you decide you don't want to pay the mortgage, that's your problem. I got paid, there's no chargebacks. Now with an insurance agent, I sold you a policy and you decide, you know what, I don't really want this policy. Guess what? I'm responsible for a chargeback because you decide not to pay that premium. So with insurance, there's chargebacks. With real estate, no chargebacks. So those are the four main differences between a real estate agent and an insurance agent. Now, both agents have to find a strategy for marketing, lead generation, Do you want to market on social media? Do you want to work for a brokerage? Do you want to work out of an office? Are you going to do cold calling? All of that would still be required for both positions. Now, before we leave today, I do want to give out 2 strong tips to both positions. Now, if you're watching this video and you are a real estate agent, I strongly recommend that you go ahead and get your life insurance license. Now, if you're watching this and you're like, I'm too busy, I don't have time to get a life insurance license, then I recommend that you partner with an agent like myself that does life insurance. And I'm gonna tell you why. So as a real estate agent, you just help let's say a young couple purchase a home, but you left them unprotected. What does that mean? That young couple needs life insurance. They need mortgage protection. As an agent, you can say, hey, you know, congratulations for purchasing your first home, but don't live in this house without it being protected. You need mortgage protection insurance, which is life insurance. God forbid, if something happened to the husband, then the wife can pay off the mortgage with their life insurance policy. So it's very important to add more value as an agent and help your clients when they buy something like their first home, especially if it's a young family. When you're young and you're starting out, you're building your assets, you're building your wealth, right? So you don't have $200,000-$300,000 in the bank sitting there just in case something happens to your spouse, you can pay off the mortgage. Having a paid off mortgage takes off so much burden for a grieving spouse. So I highly recommend, like I said, if you are or thinking about becoming a real estate agent, you definitely want to add life insurance to one of your services. I would say after the person has purchased their home, go ahead and make an appointment and set them up with life insurance, mortgage protection. Do not leave your client unprotected. They're already your client. The chances of them getting life insurance from you is very high. So yeah, get your life insurance license. All right, so I have a tip for my insurance agents as well, especially my life insurance agents. If you're out there purchasing leads, marketing, working really hard just to get to that client that's not going to pay their premium, that can be very devastating. Chargebacks can be the #1 reason why insurance agents fell out of the business. So this is what I recommend. I recommend that you call your insurance carriers or your FMO and let them know that you would like your commissions to be as earned, instead of being paid upfront that first 9 months of premiums. Do as earned. Yes, you're going to get a smaller check, but you will be able to sleep at night peacefully, not worrying about chargebacks. So when the person pays their premium, you get paid. If they didn't pay the premium, you don't get paid. But at the same time, you don't have to worry about chargebacks. So if chargebacks is a concern for you, then I would definitely do as earned commissions instead of upfront commissions, and definitely service more than one type of product. Do life insurance, do Medicare, do Obamacare. The more people you can help, and the more possibilities of you getting paid those commissions. And don't forget the renewals. It's definitely worth it. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're doing. Like, what are you doing? Definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.